tight clothing. Help also to avoid also the tight bands. Because if you put on the tight clothing, you will hinder the saturation. As consequences, you may have problems of headache. You know headache? Yes. You may have problem of coughing. You may have problems of indigestion. You can eat, but digestion can be very slow. Yes. Okay. So you need to maintain your blood in good health, and also you have to avoid these things that may hinder the blood saturation. The second we saw is respiration. Respiration also, if you want to have good blood or healthy blood, also you need to breathe very well. Are you following? Okay. Let me first present and you ask questions. You can write down, I answer your questions. Okay. You need to breathe the pure air. For this, to have this pure air, you will need to live in safe conditions. Safe condition. You see, for instance, here they put windows. It's not for granted. It's because they need fresh air. If you don't breathe pure air, if you don't have enough air, the results will be your brain will not work very well. This is why, for you, especially for you who are students, you need to study in a condition where you will have plenty of air, pure air. It will help you to have enough oxygen in your body so that your brain will work very well, and also it will prevent you to get confused. Sometimes, if you don't have enough air, your thought may be confused. So you may answer not what you are supposed you were expecting to answer. You may even fail the exam because you were doing the exam in the place where there is not enough air. So you need to take care of that. For respiring the pure air, you need also ventilation. Ventilation, you need to live in a condition, maybe in the house where you are living in your room. Please open the windows of your room where you are sleeping so that you can allow the exchange of air. So that during the night you will have enough pure air. Otherwise, in the morning you will wake up with problems of headache, problems of feeling tired, or you may not even sleep very well. You may have what's called nightmare. Nightmare dreams. Nightmare dreams. You may not sleep very well, so that you may sleep at a certain time. You wake up. You can even walk, or you can cry. Okay? Have you had of you who can sleep and then while he's sleeping and when he woke up, just he can even walk unwillingly. Okay. This is why really we need to take care of ventilation and also sunlight. Sunlight, you have to open the windows so that the sun rays can enter your room, and when the sun rays enters there, it will kill all pathogens or microbes that cause diseases. So if you open the windows, sun rays enter your room, you will kill all those microorganisms that can cause diseases, different diseases. So, because the time is too short, I would like to stop back here. But if you have questions, maybe we can understand better if you ask questions. And we will see how we can improve our health. Next time we are going to discuss another practice, another health promotion practice that can help us to promote our health, to live healthy. Do you have any question? Yes.
How the blood works?
Okay, yes.
How the blood works with the stomach in case of digestion?
How the stomach?
The blood works with the stomach.
Okay, thank you very much. This is a very interesting question because you may not understand how blood works with the stomach. Okay. You know that our heart is the engine of our body. It's just the blood is the blood is playing a big role of supplying different nutrients in different parts of the organism. And also it's supplying the oxygen. It gets the oxygen from the heart, the lungs, and then distributes it in the rest part of the organisms, our body. And then when the blood is not circulating well, it means that the blood that is feeding our stomach also will be poor in oxygen, and also it will be poor in nutrients. So it may not work properly because it doesn't have enough oxygen, it doesn't have enough nutrients, and digestion happens by contraction. Is contraction of the stomach so it may not work properly. It is the same as the brain. If you don't have enough blood circulation, also the brain will not work properly. Especially you who are students, you may fail to learn or to memorize what you have learned because your circulation is not good. So to improve your circulation, you need to exercise. Exercise every day. At least you take 30 minutes. I saw many of you have been playing. That's very good. When you come to study after playing, after exercising, really will feel comfortable and you will also succeed. You perform very well in your classes. Is there another question? Okay. So, thank you very much for your attention. I think I come back next Monday. But I would ask if there are volunteers. I want just conduct a small program with maybe a few of you who are willing, so that you can meet maybe on Sunday for only 30 minutes. If there are some volunteers, you can just write down your name. I will give you a piece of paper. You can write your names so that you can plan the every session on Sunday. Yes, for 30 minutes. So you can stop. Okay, the purpose of